Hey, welcome back. This is part 2 of Java application observability on Azure Container Apps. In this episode, I'll show you how to query logs and dynamically set log levels. So I've already got a log prepped here. What we're doing is we're displaying messages that contain the keyword asks from app traces. It's a great world and what is Carlos' phone number? Those are the two questions that I previously asked in my app. Let me also show you the code where I've emitted the data. All right, so here's the code, log.info, and we're emitting the question that is asked. I'm simply using logbag, and Opentelemetry will pick up anything from logbag. Okay, and you notice that here I also have printed the execution time for the ask. And the reason we did not see the data here from this table is because this type of log is set to the debug severity level. And in order for us to get the debug level log displayed, we need to set another flag. All right, so this is a command we're going to use to override the log level to debug. Let me run this command. Okay, so in this command, you need to specify the package name, which in my example is com.example.demo, and the level, we're going to set that to debug. And then if we look at our documentation, here's the documentation for dynamic logger. If we set the log level to debug, then it will actually display fatal messages, error, warning, info, as well as debug. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, now it's set to debug. Let's give this one more try and ask another question. Say, what is the capital of China? Let's try this. Okay, so there appears to be a time gap between when I set the flag and when I issued the command, and the log was not properly captured. Let's try this one more time, and I'm going to ask something else. What is the capital of Chile? Do that. Capital Chile is Santiago. Very good. Let's go back to our logs. Run it one more time. Again, there's typically about 30 seconds delay based on my observation between. Wait, no, not there yet. There we go. Okay, now it comes. The ask is what is the capital of Chile, and the execution time of that ask is 4,786 milliseconds. And that's how you monitor your Java application with Opentelemetry on Azure Container Apps. This feature is currently in preview, and we want to hear your thoughts. Leave us a feedback in the Azure Container Apps GitHub page, linked in the video description below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.